Hey guys, Michael Dangerfield here with Noel Johansson and Marice Tobias. This is very exciting. We're here at VO North in Toronto for the weekend, and we just had a 3-hour amazing seminar with Marice. And Noel and I have been working with Marice since 2007, and she really is a jewel in the business. And there's no one like her in the entire world that teaches what she teaches and how she does it. And so, we're just really excited that she's coming October 26 and 7 to OTM. And we just wanted to talk about one small little thing that we picked up yesterday. And it's just about, with MP3 auditions, Marice talked about that, doing an audition good enough is not good enough anymore. And it's got to be great.
Yeah, no, basically I've said for years that the audition is the job, because without that, you don't get to the recording session. But now, more than ever, auditions are going to finish. And therefore, every piece of copy that's in front of you should be dealt with as a job, not just an audition.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. So this is one of the many things she's going to cover over the weekend. It's just going to be awesome. And really check it out. It's transformative. It's a transformative experience every time she comes up. And just don't miss out. There's a few spots left. And we just want to say how excited we were. I mean, wasn't it amazing working with you yesterday?
Yeah. Thank you.
It's just awesome.
It was great fun looking in the audience and seeing the two of you there too.
Anyways, guys, have a good one, and that's October 26th at 7. We'll see you soon. All the best.
See you in Vancouver.